Making that shift from holiday mode back to teaching mode, and trust me, I know it's easier said than done. But what if I told you that I've got some foolproof strategies up my sleeve to not just survive, but thrive during this post-holiday transition? That's right, we're talking about reigniting that passion, getting those little minds back on track, and saving you time on planning and prepping. So grab your favorite mug, fill it with something delicious, and let's get ready to kickstart this term with energy, positivity, and the educational rockstar vibes we can muster. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hey there, educational rock stars. Welcome back to another episode of One Classroom Over. My mission is simple: to equip you with actionable tips, transformative stories, effective classroom systems, and expert insights for your K-5 classroom. I'm Farah, also known as the Center Fairy, your go-to guide for all things for simplifying your teacher life. Each episode dives deep into key facets of the teaching experience, from lesson planning and classroom management to student engagement and professional development. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and click that bell so that you never miss out when I go live or drop a brand new video. Today, we're diving into the topic of post-holiday transition. So whether you're sipping your coffee at home, binge watching while you're prepping lesson plans, turn up the volume and get ready for a dose of inspiration and empowerment. Let's dive in. The holiday season, filled with joy and rest, has come and gone. And now it's time to transition back to your classroom. It's not always easy to switch gears from holiday mode back to teaching mode, but with the right strategies, you can make this post-holiday transition smoother for both yourself and your students. Today, we're going to talk about some strategies that can help you hit the ground running and maintain your status as an educational rock star. First, make sure you ease back into your daily routine. Transitioning back to your regular teaching routine doesn't have to be a jolt back to reality. Start by gradually adjusting your sleep schedule a few days before you return to work. Ensure your lesson plans are ready to go, but allow yourself some flexibility in those first few days back. Remember, it's okay to ease into it and give yourself some grace during this time. Next, make sure you're setting intentions and reflecting on goals. As teachers, we constantly strive to grow and improve. Take some time to reflect on your teaching practices and set clear intentions for the upcoming term. What worked well in the previous term? What could be improved? Setting specific and achievable goals will help give you a clear direction and keep you motivated. Next, organize your space and materials. A clutter-free, well-organized classroom can do wonders for your mindset. Take some time to tidy up your teaching space, organize your materials, and ensure everything is in its right place. This not only helps in creating a conducive learning environment, but also makes your daily tasks more manageable. Next, rebuild those connections with your colleague. You're not alone in this post-holiday transition. Reach out to your fellow teachers and staff members. Share your goals, discuss your strategies, and offer support to one another. Building a strong support network within your school can be incredibly beneficial. Next, engaging your students in exciting activities. Kick off the term with engaging and interactive activities that will grab your students' attention and get them excited about learning again. You could incorporate games, group work, or hands-on activities that promote collaboration and engagement. Next, emphasize the importance of self-care. As an educational rock star, taking care of yourself is crucial. Ensure you're getting enough rest, eating well, and taking time to relax and recharge. Self-care is not selfish. It's necessary for you to be at your best in the classroom. You're also going to want to adopt a flexible approach. Flexibility is key during this transition period. Be prepared to adjust your plans as needed and be understanding of your students' needs as well. They are transitioning back to school just like you are, and a flexible approach can make this process smoother for everyone involved. Make sure you're setting realistic and achievable goals as well. It's important to set goals that are both challenging and achievable. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. This is going to help keep you motivated and on track. Incorporate some of those holiday memories into your lessons. Don't be afraid to bring a bit of holiday spirit back into the classroom. Encouraging your students to share their holiday experiences and finding ways to incorporate these stories into your lessons can be a great way to foster a sense of community and engagement in your classroom. Make sure you're focusing on the positive aspects. Think about the opportunities for growth, the joy of reconnecting with your students, and the satisfaction of making a difference in their lives. Maintaining a positive outlook will set the tone for a successful term. Now let's talk about how our Review and a Snap, Spiral Review, and No Prep Printables can further support you during this post-holiday transition. These resources are designed to help you hit the ground running, ensuring that your students quickly get back into their academic routines and help you save time when planning and prepping. These are an excellent tool for revisiting key skills and concepts that may have been forgotten over the holiday break. They're ready-to-go materials, and they provide consistent and structured practice, helping your students get back into the swing of things academically. This spiral review format ensures that previously learned skills are continually reinforced, promoting long-term retention and mastery. When time is of the essence and you're looking for engaging activities that require minimal preparation, these no prep printables are your go-to resource. These printables cover a variety of skills and concepts, providing you with ready-made activities, and they can be easily incorporated into your lesson plans. Not only do they save you time, but they also ensure that your students are engaged and learning from the get-go. Incorporating these resources into your post-holiday teaching strategy can significantly ease the transition, ensuring that you and your students start the new term on the right foot. Remember, Educational Rockstar, with the right tools and mindset, you can make this post-holiday transition an absolute breeze. Here's to a smooth transition and successful start to the new term. I'll see you in the next episode. Now, if you're looking for more tips, strategies, and simple systems to take back into your classroom to make your teacher life easier, check out the other videos on your screen. Thanks for watching, and keep being an educational rock star.